Hello, hello everybody. Franco speaking here. I want to break this thing out. So the first thing to do is just clone the repo. Then you have to go to DigitalOcean and create your token here, and then save it somewhere because you have to use it in the first step of this tutorial. So the first thing to do is to export your DigitalOcean API token. Okay, just take this one here and paste your token here. I already did it, so it's okay for me. So the first step to do is to use Packer. Just take a look at what's inside it. Okay, so we are going to create a snapshot. So the first thing to do is to create a snapshot inside DigitalOcean. So we are going to create a droplet, taking a snapshot of it, and then put the droplet down, and we get an image with all the stuff we need already installed. I'm using Ubuntu here, but you can tweak to use some other Linux distribution. So Packer, we take care to create the image as described inside this JSON file. So let's take a look at what's going on. Another thing, I'm going to, let's say, clone the output because I need to use it as a second step. So just copy this and paste it. Let's take a look at what's happening in my dashboard. Here, Packer is going to create a new droplet inside my DigitalOcean account. So now we are waiting for the droplet to become active, waiting for SSH and stuff, And here, take a look here, we are dumping everything inside this file, Packer -kubernetes.log. This was my son looking for milk. So Packer is doing his magic here, installing all the requirements, installing kubeadm, installing kubelet, installing everything we need. After everything, okay, let's take a look here. CNI, kubelet, kubectl, kubeadm, I'm packing now. Now, he's shutting down my droplet here. Okay, it was shut down. And now it's going to create a snapshot. Let's take a look. Not here. Just wait a couple of seconds more. So we need to dump the log. Everything you are seeing here on my screen is going to be dumped inside log because we need to get the ID of the snapshot, and we will use this ID in Terraform to specify the image we are going to use to create the master and the nodes of our Kubernetes cluster setup. Then we are going to the droplets is still running. Then we will create a key pair, an SSH key, and we will inject those, we will use those keys to authentication purpose to get into our droplets. Now, it says that the snapshot is completed. We are going to need this ID here in Terraform. Now let's take a look at the images. Snapshot. Okay, the snapshot is here. Now we are going to create a key pair here. I already did it, so I need to override it. So the key is here. This is my private, this is my public. And the next step is to export this one. And then I need to get this ID here. Let's take a look. Cut. Packer.log. So this is the log I created with the T command, and I need to grab those ID here. So I'm going to, I don't get any, well, this is just some basic Linux stuff. So if I echo this one, here we go. This is my ID. And in Terraform, I'm going to create, take a look here, the droplet is going to be based on my snapshot ID here. So the next step is to initialize Terraform. Okay, provide the DigitalOcean, it's okay, then just plan it out. As a best practice, we want to be sure that everything is going to go in the way we want. So this is what Terraform is going to do. It will create this one by master, and this is the key is going to be used. So now Terraform apply plan. Okay. This is going to create my master here. Let's take a look at the droplets. Okay, master is going to be created. Let's Terraform do its magic here. After this, we are going to use this utility, very useful one, SSH key scan, and we are going to grab and to add the SSH key inside the no hosts. But that's the droplet creation. And okay, now it's connected. Okay, now kubeadm is going to run here. Let's take a look. Certificate, kubeconfig, usual kubeadm stuff. Let's wait some seconds more till the process ends. Okay, this is the command we need to use to join the nodes to the master. So the next step is this one. So we are going to scan our master to get and add the key to the node hosts. Then we are going to export the join command. Okay, here. And let's take a look what into this one. Okay, is exactly okay. We need this IP here, and this is the port to the API master. So now we got the right command to join, and now we go to plan the next step, which are going to add two nodes, node 0 and node 1. Then we are going to apply. Okay, let's take a look at what's happening here. Okay, node 1, node 2. Now we need some more steps to, you know, make the cluster reachable from your laptop, from your computer. But let's the Terraform do its magic here. So let's take a look. Successful. Well, okay. Where is okay? Here, connection. Okay. So everything went great. So now we got our cluster. Now we're going to SSH inside the newly created cluster. The key is here, root. Okay. Now we are going to export the kubeconfig. Okay. And kubectl get nodes. Okay, great. Exit. And now let's copy the content on the admin.conf here in the directory. Okay, this is going to, this is the configuration for my kubectl. Okay, export and get nodes. Okay, now maybe you want to install Calico here for the CNI. Let's do it. Well, we are not going to waste your time here, just a matter of seconds, and everything is going to work, and all the nodes and the master will be up and running. I hope you enjoy it. Let's try by yourself. Have a nice time. Bye bye.